Hi everyone, Transport Topics here to help you answer an outstanding trucking maintenance question. How is education playing a pivotal role in hiring technicians? Education is becoming increasingly vital in the trucking industry, especially with the hiring of technicians. With the growing complexity of modern vehicles, including advanced technologies like electric and autonomous trucks, technicians must possess specialized knowledge and skills. Educational programs, such as vocational training, certifications, and technical courses, are essential in equipping individuals with the expertise needed to maintain and repair these advanced systems. Employers seek technicians who are well versed in diagnostics, electronic systems, and engine technologies, and they often prioritize candidates with formal education. Training programs also help workers stay updated on safety regulations and industry standards. As a result, companies are more likely to hire technicians who have undergone structured education, ensuring that they can meet the demands of the evolving trucking sector. Ultimately, education fosters a workforce that is better prepared to address technical challenges and support the industry's growth. Don't forget to subscribe for more insight into technician recruitment.